Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit the upper end of the rotation zone, finally broke through, came back, retested the 8200 area. Now moving up, you see it broke out here, retested the rotation zone. That is a very good pattern, especially when it gets above prior resistance. You could also do the GAN level projection up there, hit the first level, 84.93. 85.56. Generally, we look at those for 85.50 just because so many people target the round numbers, and it came in at 85.49. If this pullback continues, I'm just going to update this now. It's not official until we get at least a pause for a bar. So if this comes down and takes up this high, you're going to have to update your levels. Like, see, it was to this point because then we got a pause. I'm going to check in on the 1 hour just to see what it's looking like. It is a nice pullback right down the 1 hour, so this might be the pause and we might then get the nice little pullback. So we'll just go with these levels for now to give people an estimation. So on a pullback, we're going to be watching for key support coming in about the 83.80 level to about 83.40. That's a rising 8, and the prior resistance becoming support. So that's what we're going to be watching for, and then a rotation back up. Next level's higher, 86.27, minor 86.53, and then 87.05. Again, we'd round that to 8,700. Let's check on the daily chart. Daily chart, this is interesting. That where I said 86.53, minor is a little more significant because you got the declining 21. So anywhere from 86.27 to 86.53, I'd look to raise your stop at least. And then the 50-day exponential coming in at the 8,700, so I would not ignore that level. Also, we have this hooking up at this 84.33, so that's going to be support there too, in conjunction with the 4-hour areas I listed earlier. So it's looking at least better, but we really need, so far we have not formed a higher low and a higher high. So really it's going to be key that we can get above this swing high, which was 88.84, then pull back and form a higher low, and then we'll be starting to build some momentum back to the upside. And we still have the rotation zone with us on the daily, so we're in sort of more neutral, semi-bearish to neutral mode. Checking over on Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, really nice setup here. So we start getting divergences forming with higher RSI. See lower low in price, lower low in price, lower low in price, higher major swings in the RSI, and we caught down at this cluster area 1131 to 1137. Rallied back up to the prior breakdown level, came back down, tested again. This formed a really nice horizontal pattern, horizontal channel pattern. Let me get these out of the way so we can take a look at that. So you can see the nice highs and lows. I'll mark them off for everybody. We had some really nice highs and low corresponding, and then this is a great entry pattern. So we got up above, held sideways at the top of the rotation zone, came back, retested the breakout level. So this was resistance, 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 breaking resistance, coming back, resistance, then once it's broken becomes potential support, becoming potential support, then rocketing up higher straight to the 50-period exponential moving average and the prior resistance up here. So that's where you had a little price action and moving average cluster coming in. So now you can, what we can do is come up here again. This isn't official yet till we get a pausing bar. I'm going to just look at the 1 hour really quick. So we might be getting a pausing bar right here. So that's what we're going to be watching for with a nice pullback. Again, watch for return on the rotation zone, 1 hour rotation zone there. And major support coming in now about 1240, 1236 to 1240 on a pullback here. Interesting enough, if these levels do hold, if this is a good projection level, then we're looking at 1329, but the major area of 1350 with the 200 simple moving average, and that was a prior support area that eventually broke and became resistance. So you see all in here support, we broke, this bar retested it, sellers came in, this retested it with the declining rotation zone, sellers came in. So we'll have to see if sellers come in or if we can blow through that. So that's what we're watching for. Let me switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart. So right before this 1351 top of the rotation zone right now, We're holding at the flat 8. Again, pullback level, key pullback level. We can also watch for the hooking up 50, 1258 on a pullback, and watch for a rising rotation zone on the daily. But do not ignore this area, 1344 to about 1351, to at least move up stops if you were buying stuff down here. So that's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.